Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Together with Shane, and gumagawin kami ng aming Nutrition Month poster.
Di ba
Yes.
dya ang ano?
I don't know guys,
ang
kasi nakikita niyo yan.
kalabasa, may dahon na gamay lang.
Yeah. So guys, and we're not done yet. We're just starting. And balikan namin kayo pagtapos na kami. Bye! Guys, we're almost done. I don't know if you see that. We're almost done guys, pero hindi pa ito tapos.
See you next time guys. Nami man guys.
Lilipat muna kami ng aming class. We're going to by the way guys, hindi ko napakita sa inyo ang aming contemporary na ginawa. Like, yeah, I post it, pero hindi namin natap. Hindi ko napakita yung kay Shane. So, eto ba, papakita ko sa inyo yung naman siya. Ito siya guys. Wait, wala. Ito yung kay Shane. As you see, I don't know kung nakikita. Ayan, mag-focus. Ayun, nag-focus. So cute guys. And ipapasa namin ito. At yung sa akin, ito siya. Like, you know, ipakita ko na to sa inyo. So, ipapasa na namin to. Sabay naman na guys. Guys, we're done. I wish you were kiki. Ayan siya guys. I hope you see that. Ate, shoutout sa iyo. Ang ganda ng colors mo, te. Hindi ako nag-bring yan. Okay. Actually, yung poster na to is for our nutrition month. Ay, nasabi ko na pala kanina. But yun na nga. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ba't may ganun? Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.